Make a great choice today with the 2016 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.